Alright, what is up, YouTube? You know that C-bomb intro? Alright, I'm gonna keep it short and simple real quick here. So I'm getting on the highway real quick. I'm going to meet up with this dude. He lives up here, and I met him or he actually commented on one of my videos. He's like, yo, we should ride. I was like, for sure, dude, I'm down. I'm trying to find new people to ride with. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to meet up with them today. I think we're going to hit some Twisties, and a couple other buddies are coming, so I'm going to meet up with them at Cycle Gear right now. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get there. I don't think he's here yet. What's up, bro? Nice to meet you. Finally.
Bullshit.
What's up?
I thought you was bullshitting.
No, bro. I wanted to ride, bro. Damn, your exhaust is crazy, dude. Oh, did you put WD-40 on it?
No, they came like that.
Really?
I got those on eBay.
Oh, shit. Those are dope. It's Yoshimura. Nice. Yeah. Alright, well, let's go, baby. I'm hyped, guys. I've been wanting to hit these Twisties for a minute now. But yeah, so he said some of these guys are kind of crazy. I'm just gonna ride my own ride. But yeah, I'm ready to shred up these freaking these mountains, yo. Alright, we back, baby. I don't think we're up in the mountains yet, but we're heading there right now. Oh, we got some guys up here. Nice, let's go. Oh, that's 1K.
This is Paris Mountain.
Okay. Is that an M1000?
Yeah.
God damn.
Yeah, those are Spanish guys. They're fast as fuck.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that's it.
Alright, let's go, baby. Got the tunes in, let's go. Oh, this is what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, boo, come on. Get out the way, yo. Holy shit, I've never been up here. I'm surprised it's legit this close. I'm about to be up here all day, every day, baby. Damn, yeah. I need to practice my turning, bro. Oh shit, yep. He's not even trying, bro, and I'm getting... Oh yeah, look at that view, though. Oh wow, yeah, that's pretty. I hope it don't rain. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah, that's a beautiful view up there. to practice keeping my eyes like where the turn goes. I keep looking. You gotta look all the way ahead. Sorry, I'm not doing a lot of talking. I'm trying to concentrate. Stay in your lane, cuz. Or you're probably at like 20%.
I wanted to kind of feel you out.
Yeah, that was... I could tell you were barely trying. I gotta get used to that.
I just didn't want to hit it real hard, and the road's got some sketchy curves.
Right.
I haven't noticed.
So when you're going through a turn, do you look... Like you just keep... where do you look?
Through it.
Just through it, okay. Yeah.
In the curve as I can see.
Okay, yeah.
When you look past it, you want to chase that yellow line.
Okay.
Just as you can see more, keep following it.
Okay.
And just kind of always turn your body towards the turn.
Yeah.
Turn your head, your body, and then me. You can do it all three in one. But when you're riding good, you want to free your mind and just look as far ahead as you can.
Okay.
And chase it. Because obviously, if it keeps opening up, you know you can keep
right. Right.
But if you start to lose vision, you gotta
slow down. Yeah.
But yeah, that's an awesome road to practice on.
Okay. Yeah, that was a nice road. I like that one.
But, you can take it kind of quick in this section, but the first section's got so many driveways, man.
Right.
If you're at 80, 90 and someone pulls out, you're fucked.
Yeah. Okay. I got like probably 40 miles.
Yeah, those guys all got BMWs. Those are the Spanish guys. Those dudes are fast, man.
Yeah, there's some good looking bikes.
Chasing when I was learning how to ride.
Oh, okay.
They were fucking leaving. Now I can keep up with them a little.
A little bit.
Their bikes are fast.
Yeah. Oh yeah. So that was my first time really hitting like good twisties. And man, I gotta practice though, so I can just get better. I'm gonna want a suit, so I would feel more comfortable too. And it also make me a better rider too, so I get how comfortable I can lean over with it. Well, once we hit the gas station, I'll probably end the video, make a new one. But yeah, those twisties were freaking sick, yo. I'm hyped. Oh yeah. Thank you for all the support so far, guys, too. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But if you liked it, because I'm gonna be hitting the twisties more, leave a like, subscribe, please. You already know we're at the 10K. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Ride safe, over and out.